Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you all a very simple and easy remedy to get glowing, clear skin. This remedy will help you to get rid of hormonal acne as well as open pores. So let's get started with the ingredients. For this you will need fresh roses, aloe vera gel. You can also use pure fresh aloe vera gel. Also, last but not least, rose essential oil. If you don't have this, then you don't need to use this. Or else you can even use tea tree essential oil or even lavender essential oil. Okay, so now let's make it. Take a clean pan and put the rose petals into it. Clean it with fresh water. Now add hot water into it as shown in the video. You don't need a lot, just use enough water to cover the rose petals. Now cover it and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for around 3 to 5 minutes. After around 5 minutes, you can take it off the flame and let it cool down completely. Now take a clean container and add 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel and also add 5 drops of rose essential oil or any essential oil of your choice. Now fill it with the rose water, and it doesn't matter if you add the rose petals as well. Mix everything very well. I prefer storing it in a glass dropper bottle as it prolongs the shelf life of the serum. You can store this in room temperature up to a month. Now, if you are using fresh aloe vera gel, then keep it refrigerated up to a month. That's it guys, it's very simple and it's now ready to use. I'll show you the consistency here. You can see that it's very runny yet very hydrating. This will hydrate your face like anything. I love it. Apply this on a clean face morning and night before applying a moisturizer. Shake the bottle every time before applying. Take a few drops and apply it all over your face. The best method is to tap the serum to deeply absorb into your skin. And also do not forget to apply it on your neck as well. This rose serum contains antibacterial benefits which helps to reduce hormonal acne and also reduces the appearance of large or open pores. By the way guys, this serum smells like heavenly roses. It's beautiful. So that's it for this video guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and also click on a bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Share this with your friends and family, and you can also follow me on my Instagram and other social media. The links will be in the description box below. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you.